Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to access and use ChatGPT in a country where OpenAI services are not available. So ChatGPT is not available for your country. Right, so if you are in China or any other country where ChatGPT is not available, when you open up chat.openai.com, you will see a message like this that ChatGPT is not available in your country. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to still access and use ChatGPT in a country where ChatGPT is not available. Alright, so all you have to do if you want to use ChatGPT in a country where ChatGPT is not available, all you have to do is use a VPN and change your IP address to a country where ChatGPT is available. And based on my experience, the best VPN for ChatGPT is ExpressVPN. And the great thing about it is that you can try it for 30 days, risk-free. And if you don't like it, you can just cancel your subscription and get your money back. And I also have an exclusive offer of 3 months for free if you use the link in the description below. And I use that link, then sign up for ExpressVPN. It's really easy to do. And then all you have to do is change your country from China or any other country where you are currently based in and you cannot access ChatGPT to a country like USA or UK or Germany, to basically a country where ChatGPT is available. It's really easy to do. There are a ton of tutorials on how to use ExpressVPN. I'm not gonna go into details because this is just a quick video tutorial. And once you successfully connect to ExpressVPN, all you have to do is basically open up chat.openai.com. And as you can see, instead of that message, you're going to see welcome to ChatGPT, log in with your OpenAI account to continue. So if you haven't created an OpenAI account yet, you have to click on sign up here and then add an email address. I have a separate tutorial where I show you how to create an OpenAI account. If you have an OpenAI account, just click on login and you're going to be able to log in into your ChatGPT account from a country where ChatGPT is not available. Right, so all in all, this is how to access and use ChatGPT from a country where ChatGPT is not available or banned, like in Italy.